This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we have another shop spotlight, a special treat for you guys, so stay tuned and check this out. And we're here, and today's going to be an exciting interview. We're here at Autohaus of Boston. Tony Fernandes, also known as Tony Ferrari, is a leading Ferrari expert in the area, independent repair. So let's go in there and let's go talk to Tony. Autohaus of Boston. Hey, Tony.
Hey, good morning, Jay.
How you doing?
Good. How are you, sir?
Good. Good to see you.
Thank you. Same here.
So, Tony, tell our viewers a little bit about your experience.
Well, my experience started a long, long time ago.
Yeah.
Ferrari in Newport, Rhode Island, matter of fact. Used to be called Newport Imports.
Yeah.
And that's how I started working on Ferraris. I got my chance working on Ferrari world in a very, very small dealership. I don't think it no longer exists. I was there as an apprentice and worked there for 4 or 5 years. From there, I moved to Autohaus in Cohasset, which is a much larger dealership.
Yeah.
Over there, they gave me a chance to hone out my skills and send me to schools. And actually, when the first F40 came out, I was an apprentice there. Mm-hmm. They sent me to school for the F40. And that's how my life as a Ferrari technician got started.
And how did you end up at Ferrari in New England?
Well, at Ferrari New England, when Mr. Ernie Bach purchased the dealership, he looked to expand the dealership into a much larger scale from what it was from the previous owner, and he was looking for experienced Ferrari technicians.
Yeah.
And they gave me a call, and that's how I got my chance to work for Ferrari New England.
Cool.
And worked there for a long time. From there, I decided it was time to move on into bigger, better things, which is open up my own shop.
So tell our viewers a little bit about Autohaus of Boston and what you guys are about.
Well, Autohaus of Boston is a Ferrari Lamborghini specialty shop.
Yep.
We try to, or we focus on Ferrari service and also on Lamborghini service. I am a fully certified Ferrari technician as well as Lamborghini technician with a lot of the schools that I attend in Italy and also here in the United States, in New York and New Jersey, also in some of the schools in California. And I try to bring those skills and give those service to my clients. That's Ferrari and Maserati and Lamborghini. It's something I have been knowing since all my adult life. Mm-hmm. That's all I know how to do. So I try to stay in what I do best, which is repair these cars.
So Tony, do you work with any preferred vendors?
Yeah, I have a couple of vendors that I prefer to work with.
Yeah.
For an example, on the Ferrari side, I like a lot of the Hill Engineer products. And on the Lamborghini side, an example, on the clutch side, I specifically only install high-tech exotic clutches.
Yep.
I seem to have no issues at all, ever, with the high-tech exotic products because the amount of time that they use into calibrate their hardware and able to give my clients 100% satisfaction, I have to install a high-end product, and that product I'm very satisfied with the high-tech exotic product.
Yep.
It doesn't take me more than a half hour to hook up the Lamborghini tool and set up the point initial slippers, which is PIS. And normally high-tech exotic clutches, that's 300% longer than regular cover clutches from other people and organic clutches. So it's a good product.
So they sell clutches for Ferrari, Lamborghini,
Correct.
and
They
Maserati?
they specialize not only on Lamborghini, but they do also Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini, all supercars, pretty much, Porsches. And of course, Autohaus is only specialized in Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Maserati. So, but if you have a supercar like a McLaren that needs a clutch, and you're more than welcome to give us a call. I'm not going to turn anybody down.
So Tony, what's your favorite Ferrari, not only just looks wise, but also maybe to work on?
Well, my favorite Ferrari of all time has been the F40.
Yeah.
But it's like I said, it's very difficult for me to pick because it's like having 5 children. What's your favorite children? It's a difficult question for me to answer because I went to school to Italy for all the supercars.
Yeah.
Out of production, including the LaFerrari that's in production.
Yep.
I'm certified on all of them. My favorite car probably in the world to work on it would be the F40 or an Enzo. Of course, the LaFerrari is the supercar of all supercars.
Yeah.
And but if I was to have my own Ferrari of all of them, I'll probably pick the TDF. The F12 TDF, to me, it's a very exotic car that you could drive every day on a daily basis and you'll never get tired of it. So to me, the F12 TDF would be my favorite car to work on.
Nice. So as far as Lamborghini cars, what would you say your favorite looking Lamborghini is and favorite to work on?
My favorite Lamborghini to work on in the new modern Lamborghini would probably be the Aventador. I think the Aventador probably is one of the best looking Lamborghinis to me.
Yeah.
Of all Lamborghinis. Of course, we do a lot of work from Countach to Diablos to Aventadors to everything from out of production to the latest models in production.
Yep.
But from all of them, I think the Aventador would be the car that I would drive.
Yep.
And my favorite car to work on.
Cool. Tony, thank you so much for the tour today
Welcome.
and
Thank you,
taking the
Mike.
time to allow me to interview you. Where could people find more information about you online?
Well, they can follow us online, www.autohausofboston.com, as well as our Facebook page, Autohaus of Boston, and Instagram as well.
Yep. And what would be the best phone number for somebody to reach you?
774-226-5844.
Cool. Well, thank you very much, Tony.
Welcome. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah, same here. Take care. Well, I had a great time today over at Autohaus of Boston. And again, Tony, thank you so much for the tour of your shop and also telling our viewers here what you do. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.